Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to retract a bid on eBay mobile. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you will have to type ebay.com. You can also follow the same steps in the eBay mobile application. So you just have to launch the eBay mobile application and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to click on help and contact in the top. Once you do this, you will be redirected on this customer service page. Now over here in the search bar, you will have to search for Retract. Now once you type Retract, you are going to see this article which says retracting a bid. So you simply need to click on this link and then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see this prompt which says if you have made a mistake when bidding on an item, you can retract your bid in certain circumstances. Now over here you just have to scroll down and here you are going to see the option of retract a bid. So simply need to click on this option and after that you just have to select that particular bid which you want to retract. Then you will be redirected on this kind of page where you will have to provide the item number of auction in question. Then you will have to select the reason of your retraction. After selecting the reason, you will have to click on retract bid and this way you will be able to easily retract a bid on eBay. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.